Well, are you the student or the parent looking for higher education in developed countries like Hungary, Luxembourg, Italy, France, UK, and many more? Worried how to start the process, whom to trust, whom not to trust, but only have one mission to have a good lifestyle, a good career, which is world renowned, and you can be a global leader. If that's what you want for you and your child, you are at the correct platform. Welcome to Higher Education Center, and in this particular video, I'll be telling you what is Higher Education Center, how it was formed, what are our beliefs, what are our vision, and how we are able to bring this entire global opportunities for Indian as well as international students at one platform. What are our accreditations and what are the struggles we have gone through to make this possible? Everything from the back end story to the front end. We'll be discussing everything. So stay tuned till the end with me, because I'll take you throughout entire journey and how we are bridging up the gap of education revolution. Well, in a country vibrant with dreams yet tangled in a competitive chaos of IIT, NEET, CUET, GATE and countless other entrance exams, every year millions of Indian students silently question their worth. Not because they lack talent, but because they are told that there are no other options or even better options. We at Higher Education Center but through the overseas understand this pain. We understand despair of not securing a seat in prestigious Indian colleges. We have seen students buckle under pressure, some even taking some irreversible steps, and that is very saddening. Correct? Just because society never told them there was another path which is even better for them. And the time has changed, so it needs to be changed and reformed. The seeds of this revolution were sown by a student like you. Once upon a time, Mr. Kumar Satyam, a young Indian student, was also trapped in the same dilemma of IIT or nothing. He cracked the NEET exam, All India rank of 48, but societal pressure led him to abandon his dream. Like many, he was pushed towards a safer path and safer career option. But Kumar dared to ask a bold question to himself. Is this truly the only way how he can make big in his life? Maybe not. Then he explored the world. And his journey took him beyond the borders, to Italy's and world's most prestigious university of Bologna, where he pursued his master's. There he collaborated with Nobel laureate Giorgio Parsi, represented India as International Student Ambassador, that's amazing, and also joined the European Commission Expert Committee. And from this life-changing experience, he knew what he had to do. He founded Higher Education Center but through overseas, a platform for the students, by the students, to bridge the opportunities gap and redefine what success truly looks like for the Indian youth. Higher Education Center is not just another education consultancy. It's a movement, an elite global network of IITians, doctors and international university alumni who have lived the struggle and solved it for you. Today, Higher Education Center offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to students across the globe and India, with 50,000 seats in 1,000+ top-ranked universities across 50+ countries and 5+ continents, including the UK, USA, Germany, Canada, Australia, Austria, France, Europe, and many more. From QS Top 1,000 universities to QS Top 100, we help Indian as well as international students access institutions that match and often exceed the prestige of IITs, IIMs and AIMS. We do all this in one platform with genuine verified guidance and personalized mentorship. We are proud to be recognized by the world's most respected organizations. We are member of organizations like NAFSA, the Association of International Educators. We are also the member of British Council. We are member of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce. We are member of Indo-France Chamber or Indo-French Chamber of Commerce. We are also the member of Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce, Indo-US Chamber of Commerce, and Indo-Swiss Chamber of Commerce, and the list goes on and on. We are registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. We are partnered with UNICEF for youth outreach and empowerment. These affiliations are a testament to our global reach, trusted guidance, and ethical practices. Our mission is very clear: to offer students a world of opportunities beyond the narrow gates of IIT, IIM, or AIMS. We exist to give that one crucial option that can completely reshape a student's future. Our vision: to create a world where every student deserves a chance to prove their worth, and to close the information gap and replace confusion with clarity and choice. Because success shouldn't be limited to a few, it should be accessible to all, right? So, if you are a student or a parent wondering what comes next, or if you have ever felt trapped in the system or overlooked by society, then hear this loud and clear. This is your moment. This is your second chance, and Higher Education Center is once in your life an opportunity. Do not wait for miracles, create them. Click the link below, outreach us, and start your higher education journey today. Because your future isn't limited by borders, it is only waiting to be discovered.